Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this mesmerizing smoky silver cut crease eye makeup tutorial. So let's get into it. This brush is from Morphe Brushes. Taking this dark blue shade from Morphe X James Charles palette, applying the shadow on my crease area. Applying the shade in dabbing motion for a highly pigmented look. Same on the other eye. Now taking the lighter one and slightly blending my crease with that shade. Adding black to my crease for a more intense look. This brush is from Morphe Brushes, blending the black shadow with this blue shade. Now again adding lighter for a more blended crease. Adding blue more. This brush is from Morphe Brushes. Again, I am adding black here and blending it as well. Same on the other eye. This concealer is from Miss Rose Cosmetics, cutting half of my lid with the concealer and blend it with the brush. Applying this You Can Be glitter on that area where I applied concealer before. And blending the outer V with the dark blue shade. So this is a complete look. I hope you all will like it. Press the like button if you liked it. I will take that as a token of love and appreciation if you consider subscribing and sharing. Bye bye.